Hi guys, as you know, adding pellets to your feed leaves something in the water for those fish to see and to taste and to stay on your feeding spot. The new pellet shakers by Legacy series, we've got it in Delta Force, Braveheart, the two favorite colors, as well as the plain pellets as the 3 ml pellets. Really amazing product, good quality. So shake this summer, get your pellets in Braveheart, Delta Force, and add it to your feed. The guys that do feeder will also understand pellets are the go-to. So get these new products, 3 amazing shakers, and it's so easy to add to your feed. It comes in the spice holder, so you just turn the knob and you can decide, do you want to throw a lot in or do you just want to sprinkle it onto your feed with that amazing application method. Great quality, color and flavor in these pellet shakers. So get your pellets at your nearest shop.